Welcome, and thank you for taking this course. My name is Mike Dixon, and I'll be guiding you through this journey of world building and creativity as you map out your whodunit mystery novel. Let's start off today with a description of the course to better familiarize you with your journey ahead. This course is designed to bring you through a comprehensive novel outline from start to finish using your own ideas and creativity. My job is to provide you with the path from which to begin your outline, walk you through a complete storyline where you implement your own ideas, and have you finish the course ready for your rough draft. To accomplish this, I'll be providing you with ideas, tips, and tricks writers use to build a usable whodunit outline using a storyline I created specifically for this course. Together, we'll work through each chapter on a road to completing the outline using your original setting, characters, imagination, and writing skill to make it your own. By taking this course, I'll promise you two things. Number one, if you follow my guidance and put forth an honest effort of your own imagination, creativity, and talent, you will finish with a complete storyline and comprehensive outline from which you can write your first draft quickly. My second promise is it won't be easy. Like any work of art, you'll need to dedicate yourself to this project. You need to set aside specific time for you and the world waiting to be created and stick to it. You'll be glad you did. So next, let's take a look around the Udemy dashboard. You'll need to be familiar with it as you move through the course. The good thing is, Udemy made it incredibly easy to navigate, and after a few minutes of looking around, clicking here or there, you'll have enough knowledge to progress seamlessly. On the main dashboard of the outline of your whodunit mystery novel, I want to point out a few important areas you'll need to be familiar with as you progress. First is the curriculum section, which is located directly below the title of the course. This is where you start the course, starting with the first lecture, progressing through the final lecture. You're likely familiar with this section as you're watching this video, but it's worth pointing out. To the right of the main dashboard, you'll see a rating scale. I can't tell you how important that scale is to Udemy instructors like me. Once you finish, please take a moment to provide an honest assessment of the course. Below this is the announcement section. Should I have an important announcement for the students, you'll see it here. I also believe it gets emailed to you as well. Below that is the question and answer section. This is a particularly fun place to be for me, and I hope you as well. This is a section where you can ask questions and I answer them, but just as important, you can read the questions of the other students and my answers. It's like our very own brainstorming section, so ask as many questions as you want. I love this stuff, and I've poured the last 6 years of my life each and every day studying outlining. So helping you out with your storylines is fun for me. So that's it. Are you ready to get started?